Hey everyone, so I've already done a video of myself doing the Tymo Airflow curling my hair, but in this video I'm going to be using the Tymo Airflow to straighten my hair. I'll make sure to leave the link to that above as well as down below, but this is pretty much going to be self-explanatory. I'm just going to be showing you my straightening process using this product right here. So I'm pretty much just going to let you guys watch, and you can feel free to leave a comment and let me know how you think this product did with my hair.